who are the ideal participants? The mix, and typically who would probably take a lead on this and say, I want to do this.
In terms of participants, really, it's across departments. Yun yung, in fact, beauty for InnovPath. It's better if you have the different departments there. Especially, so particularly, I guess, your sales guys, your marketing guys, your R&D, your finance people also nandoon. Insights group will be there. Plus, actually, you'd be surprised, yung mga akala mong hindi creative in terms of innovation, they are the ones who get so excited about this, no? So, really cross-functional maganda na.
Also, in terms of who should be in the room, if we're thinking now about non-FMCG clients, I think anyone who is involved in product development could definitely benefit from any of these modules because it really lends itself to the three areas of innovation: creativity, customer centricity, and courage. Customer experience professional. So anyone who's also part of that entire delivery of customer experience, shopper marketing, or anyone on the retail side, all of these will really have a direct impact on their daily activities. So I think those are, outside of the outside of marketing and R&D, who will have a higher stake in this kind of activity.